I'm joined now by John Radko, VP Product Development for OpenText Business Network. John, welcome. Good to have you here. I think we want to talk to you about the way that companies are working with their customers. What are some of the big themes that you're seeing?
I think the big theme right now is that companies want to be empowered to work with their trading communities, and that empowerment comes in a variety of flavors. One is they want to be able to do more for themselves. So that starts with visibility, being able to look in. So we've done major overhauls of our visibility systems, and then it moves onward to self-service.
Right.
So there's a big push on self-service. Self-service begins with being able to do case management online, send out trading partner invitations, provision new services, but it goes further.
So they're going to try a few things. We've heard about a continuum of automation, APIs, AI. Not just because they all begin with A, right? There's good reason there. Is this a journey you see some going on?
This is absolutely a journey we see. And so for automation, it's all about onboarding and getting people in.
Right.
When you're doing trading, when you're working with a trading community, the value doesn't start to arrive until you get them onboarded and ready to roll.
Yep.
So we're working on that. Now, sometimes that's just getting them to the website, but a lot of times that's getting data flowing between back-end systems, and there's a lot of technology involved. Once you do that, as you want to expand what you're doing with your partners, there isn't always a document or a structure that works for it, and that's where programmability becomes really powerful.
Yep.
So the APIs kind of unlock the power of the trading grid and open up the power that customers have in their internal systems. Finally, the more you engage with your partners, the more data is flowing through. And if you can get that data into a data lake, something like OpenText Magellan, that gives you the ability to do a lot of analytics and ultimately applying artificial intelligence for machine learning to get more predictive.
Okay, what are some of the mistakes people make, the pitfalls that they could avoid?
One thing, this is kind of selfish, but one way I think people will try to do everything in-house and not leverage kind of packaged solutions out there. Another mistake I'll see people do is they'll get trapped into proprietary frameworks. They won't be leveraging the industry standards and learning. Another one is really not engaging their partner community soon enough and learning what's going on there.
Let's turn our attention again to the core proposition and the next 5 years. If you could see into the future in 5 years' time, how different will your customers' businesses be because of all the changes we've been talking about?
I think there's going to be tremendous change, and it's all going to test our ability to scale. We're going to have ever more connectivity. We're going to connect more and more partners together. We're going to have the world of Internet of Things really explode because we're seeing that take off.
Yep.
We're going to see much, much larger pools of information and data, and there's going to be more and more pressure to move fast.
Right.
So I think that's where the self-service, the automation, and programmability comes in because it helps us go faster.
Right. Okay, John, thank you for those insights. It's been a pleasure.
Okay, thanks a lot.